Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing something a little different. We're taking the Vincent garage on the road. I've got my tools loaded up in the back of the 4Runner here, and we're heading over to my buddy Dennis Thomas's house to start building the Salmson CycleKart, which is what we're calling a Club Kart. This is a community build. Lots of guys donated parts for this. Mark Parnell has made us a great deal on the chassis, and boy, this is going to be a fun build. So let's get this show on the road. Okay, so I'm at the CycleKart workshop, and this is the Renegade frame. We just got it unpackaged, and man, the welds on this thing are super nice. Did a great job packaging it. Got nice little nut certs in it. You put little pieces of wood here to protect these shackle mounts. So this frame does have a differential mount, so this is a new option that Renegade's going to offer. I think he's going to offer it as a retrofit, which is this part here. Again, it's got nut certs in here for this top bracket to seal that off. It's got the new chassis number plate, VTR001, so this is a prototype. And we've got the front axle over here. We still have a box of parts on the way for the spindles, the hubs, and other parts. These are the parts you guys donated. So Andrew and Ground Trampoline donated the rims. Kelly gave us the springs. I pitched in on the tires, and all these parts pretty much all came from you guys off of the Amazon link. Really appreciate you guys donating all those parts. If you want a list of those parts, they are on our Amazon store. I'll put a link in the bottom in the description there. If you buy parts off of there, I do get a small commission, just full disclosure on that. And Dennis has the motor and torque converter left over from our previous build. So we are going to get cranking on this. I've got some parts here, aluminum bits to make a floor, which we're going to build today. And yeah, let's get started on this thing. Hey guys, so the CycleKart workshop is pretty well appointed. We've got a sheet metal shear behind me there. We used to cut the aluminum. This is 50 thousandths thick, 5100 grade, something like that. And we've got a bender here, so I'm going to bend this metal for the floor right now. See if I can do this while I'm holding the phone. Bam! It's good to have tools. There it is. More to come.
You know, with this thing in a hand file, you can really get a nice, accurate cut.
So Dennis is making up a paper template to get a really nice fit in aluminum.
Because we want this to cover our mistake.
Hey now, whose mistakes was it, Dennis? I think I'll blame myself. When we did cut this, there's a bit of a gap here, so we are hiding some sins. But this also makes it look beautiful.
That's right.
And it's something nobody's going to see except us. So,
and when it gets wet, the cardboard's going to fall out.
there you go.
We're trying to do the best work we can.
That will be aluminum. We're
blasting through this thing. So.
The cardboard template will be used to make the aluminum piece and hopefully get it to fit. What happened was we set the piece of aluminum on top of this structure, traced it, but this area right here is just slightly different than what's actually on the bottom. So kind of created a small spot of, well, we're fixing it. Anyway, this is what happened to me.
By the time we're done, you'll never know.
Yeah, so anyway, the floor is just about in.
So the water will rain.
In the day one of the Club Kart build. Got the tire mounting going on. Carlos, Dennis, and Danny Vincent, my dad. There's a joke in here somewhere about Polacks and light bulbs, but I'm not sure how to tell it exactly.
I got the two. No, I didn't.
My apologies to those of you in Poland.
Seen in Poland.
There might be some CycleKarters in Poland. They're in Hungary and Germany and all kinds of places.
There will be at some point, I'm sure.
Yeah, yeah. There you go. This is the last. That's it. Bam and bam. Victory.
All right.
Okay, so we had a great day working on the chassis. Got the floor in it. And we're going to call it the end of this video. So check out our Amazon link. Check out Renegade CycleKarts. This floor turned out pretty good. It's just some L metals, 50 thousandths thick. 5150 grade, I think it is. and that's going to work out really well. So we're getting ready to get the pedal box in it, and rocking and rolling on the project Club Kart.